Is it worth it registering for a film school and paying your hard-earned money? I've been editing for about 5 years. Then I registered for a film school, and in this video, I'll be sharing my experience and my perspective of a film school. Film school varies, so you might want to make your own judgment. So the first thing is this. Many of us enroll for film school because we want to get better at shooting videos. We want to get better at understanding how the film industry works in our country. But what I observed when I enrolled for film school is that I did not really learn much. And I think it is because I have been editing videos for a while before enrolling for the film school, and I use other modern softwares. For example, like the film school I attended was yet to embrace things like using AI in your video production, things I was already exploring on my own. So if you want to learn how to edit and how to shoot, a film school would actually help you. But the truth is that you can't learn everything from a film school. The film school might introduce you to what the shutter speed is, the aperture and all that. But if you don't take the pain, if you don't take the time to probably go and watch different YouTube videos on the part you don't understand, if you don't have a camera, if you're using your phone for a start, our phones are actually as good as some cameras, but some cameras are crazily better than your phone. Don't even dispute that. I'm a proponent of start with what you have, but at some point when you can afford it, get a camera. If you are using your phone, don't just shoot on automatic mode. You are not going to learn that way. You want to download applications that would allow you to experiment with things like setting your ISO, your aperture, and your shutter speed yourself. So I think some iPhones actually have that option. But it's actually best to use apps like Filmic Pro. There's this application by DaVinci. I'm going to link it in the description below when writing the description for this video. So it would help you to learn how to use an actual camera. So film school help with getting you started on camera usage, getting you started on editing. There are too many things to learn in editing than any film school can cover in their 8 weeks or 3-month program. So it actually applies to anything you want to learn. Most times, taking a course on something is just to ignite your passion to start your continuous learning for life. I am still learning. There is still a lot I don't know. You see an amazing video editor like Finza. He is still learning. He is still improving himself. So how much more me that I'm not even anything close to the level of Finza. So if you're attending film school, have the mind that you need to augment whatever you are taught in film school with your personal research, personal learning, checking of YouTube videos. Otherwise, you are not going to get value for the money you pay at film school, and it is not their fault. The second justification for attending a film school is network. So in the film school, if that is your introduction to the editing, the shooting, the filming, the directing industry, it will be your first networking point where you would meet other people with like minds, like passion, that are going the same career path as yours. Some of your colleagues would also grow to become the best directors in the industry. So you want to associate with them because they have passion for film. They would know other directors and stuff. So like the networking part of film school is one of the most important things in film school. Another value I got in film school is the discussion. I'm not talking about class discussion outside class. For me, I love to interact with the director of my film school. He is an OG in this. He has done filmmaking abroad and he has done filmmaking in Nigeria for over 20 years. So there is a lot to learn from him outside of what he teaches, what is camera, pinhole camera, what he teaches in class. So when I have the opportunity to sit with him, we are just gisting. I ask him some question. Why do you think Jagun costs so much? So like he starts to explain some things that he would not normally say in the class. So I'm able to get more value from conversations and even from my instructors and my colleagues. So when we are discussing some film related things, it actually helps me to learn more practical things that way. So I think you should note that if you are attending a film school. Then one more thing you would get from film school is you are building your squad. So straight out of film school, let's assume that, okay, you bought your camera roll in your period in film school. If somebody gives you a job, okay, come and shoot my corporate event. You are fresh out of film school. You might not have the confidence to do it alone. But the fact that you attended a film school and didn't stay in your room to learn it alone means that you now have colleagues of maybe like over 7, 10, 20 people. You know that guy that is crazily good in your class that you can say, hey, Olamide, hey, Bayo, hey, this person, please, I have a shoot for so day. Would you like to come around? The person comes around and you guys can rub minds together to get good quality while shooting for your first client. Then even sometimes it's not even just about whether you know what you are doing or you don't know what you are doing. Sometimes you actually need more hands. So the film school, it's also another dimension of networking. Like it's building your first squad. So you can always call this person, oh, Adeleke, Alpha, I have a shoot. Can you join me? Because for cinematography, sometimes you can't do everything alone. Like that's when you're shooting for clients. So you have someone to assist you. So until you gain your confidence that you can probably now start setting things on your own. So you get that support, you get that community. Yes, that's one of the most important things about film school. Is film school worth it? For me, it is worth every penny I pay. If I look at it from the perspective of do I learn how to edit? Do I learn how to color grade? Do I learn how to all those things I can learn on YouTube? The value I got from film school transcend beyond that. So if you are considering attending a film school, let me know in the comment section. If you run a film school, let me know in the comment section. Or if you've also attended a film school and you got value or did not get value from it, let me know in the comment section. Thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe if you've not subscribed to this channel. Love you. Bye-bye.